Hello everyone, we are starting our exercise 3.3. Exercise 3.3. Firstly, we will introduce about the periodic functions. If on changing a variable theta to theta plus alpha, means theta is changes to theta plus alpha, then alpha is known as a least positive constant and the value of a theta remains unchanged. Then the function is said to be periodic and alpha is called the period of a function. Example, if on changing theta to theta plus 2 pi, then the value of a sine theta, cos theta, secant theta and cosecant theta remains unchanged and period of each is 2 pi. That means sine theta plus 2 pi is equals to sine theta, cos theta plus 2 pi is equals to cos theta, secant theta plus 2 pi is equals to secant theta and cosecant theta plus 2 pi is equals to cosecant theta. If on changing theta to theta plus pi, then the value of a tan theta and cot theta remains unchanged and both tan theta and cot theta are periodic and period of each is pi. That means tan theta plus pi is equals to tan theta and cot theta plus pi is equals to cot theta. Then find the value of the cos 210 degree. We will break 210 into 180 degree plus 30 degree because sum of the each term is 110 degree. Then cos 180 degree plus theta. Cos theta plus pi, 2 pi means theta remains unchanged. Then cos theta. Cos 180 degree plus theta means it will lie in the third quadrant because here angle 0 degree, here pi by 2, here pi. So from starting 0 to 180 degree, 180 degree will be complete here and 30 degree is going to the third quadrant where cos theta is negative. So minus cos 30 degree. Value of cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2. So answer becomes minus root 3 by 2. Then second sine 225 degree. We will break 225 degree into 180 degree plus 45 degree. When we starting from the first quadrant, 180 degree complete here and 45 degree goes in the third quadrant. In the third quadrant sine theta is negative. So minus of sine 45 degree. Value of the sine 45 degree is 1 by root 2. So answer is minus 1 by root 2. Then we will find out the value of a tan 330 degree. We will break 330 into tan 360 degree minus 30 degree means 360 degree complete here. In the complete one revolution 360 degree will be complete here. Then minus 30 degree. Minus 30 means lies in the fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant tan is negative. So value becomes minus of tan 30 degree. Tan 30 means 30 degree. Tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. Then answer will become minus of 1 by root 3. Prove that sin square pi by 6 plus cos square pi by 3 minus tan square pi by 4 is equals to minus of 1 by 2. Prove the left hand side. Sin square pi by 6 plus cos square pi by 6 minus tan square pi by 4. Sin pi by 6 means sin 30 degree. Sine 30 degree is equals to 1 by 2. Put the value of the sine pi by 6 here. Then it will become 1 by 2 whole square plus cos pi by 6 means 1 by 2 whole square minus tan square pi by 4. Pi by 4 means 45 degree. Tan 45 is 1 square. Then it will become 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 minus 1. Take LCM. 4, 1 plus 1 minus 4. Then it will become 2 minus 4 by 4, which becomes minus 2 by 4. Cancel out. Then it will become minus 1 by 2, which is equals to right hand side. Hence proved. Prove that 2 sin square pi by 6 plus cosecant square 7 pi by 6 cos square pi by 3 is equals to 3 by 2. Left hand side is equals to 2 sin square pi by 6 plus cosecant square 7 pi by 6 into cos square pi by 3, which is equals to 2 pi by 6. Value of a sine pi by 6 is 1 by 2 square plus cosecant square. 7 pi is broken into pi plus pi by 6, means we will return 7 pi by 6 into pi plus pi by 6 into cos square pi by 3. First term is written as it is, 2 into 1 by 2 whole square plus cosecant square pi plus pi by 6. Pi lies here and pi by 6 means it will lies in the third quadrant. In the third quadrant cosecant is negative. So it will become minus of cosecant square pi by 6 into cos square pi by 3. Then it will become 2 into 1 by 2 whole square plus cosecant square pi by 6 into cos square pi by 3. Put the value of a cosecant pi by 6 and cos pi by 3 here. Then it will become 2 into 1 by 2 square plus 2 square into 1 by 2 whole square. Then it will become 2 into 1 by 4 plus 4 into 1 by 4. 4 and 4 will be cancel out and it will become 1 by 2 plus 1. Take an LCM. 1 plus 2, then it will become 3 by 2, which is equals to right hand side. Hence proved. Prove that cot square pi by 6 plus cosecant 5 pi by 6 plus 3 tan square pi by 6 is equals to 6. Left hand side is equals to cot square pi by 6 plus cosecant 5 pi by 6 plus 3 tan square pi by 6. Then 5 pi by 6 is written as pi minus pi by 6. Put here, then it will become cot square pi by 6 plus cosecant into pi minus pi by 6 plus 3 tan square pi by 6. Then it will become cot square pi by 6 as it is plus cosecant pi minus pi by 6 will become cosecant pi by 6 plus 3 tan square pi by 6. Put the value of the cot pi by 6. Cot pi by 6 is root 3 whole square plus cosecant pi by 6 is 2 tan pi by 6, which is equals to 1 by root 3 whole square. Then it will become 3 plus 2 plus 3 into 1 by 3. This will be cancel out and 3 plus 2 plus 1 is equals to 6, which is equals to right hand side. Hence proved. Prove that 2 sin square 3 pi by 4 plus 2 cos square pi by 4 plus 2 secant square pi by 3 is equals to 10. Taken left hand side, which is equals to 2 sin square 3 pi by 4 plus 2 cos square pi by 4 plus 2 secant square pi by 3, which is equals to 3 pi by 4 is written as pi minus pi by 4. Put here 2 sin square pi minus pi by 4 plus 2 cos square pi by 4 plus 2 secant square pi by 3. Sin pi minus pi by 4, which is equals to sin pi by 4 plus 2 cos square pi by 4 plus 2 secant square pi by 3. Then 2 sin pi by 4 is equals to 1 by root 2. Put the value of pi by 4 here, plus cos pi by 4, which is equals to 1 by root 2 into 2 as it is, plus 2 secant pi by 3, which is equals to 2 square as it is. Then it will become 2 into 1 by 2 plus 2 into 1 by 2 plus 2 into 2 into 2, which is equals to 8. 2 and 2 cancel out. Then it will become 1 plus 1 plus 8, which is equals to 10. It is equals to right hand side, hence proved.